opportunity versus being paid, right? So the two differences here is the opportunity you can create for yourself, and the other one, being paid for a job, you rely on others to be able to pay for you to do the service for them. The reason why I bring this up is because there are people who are just getting started on their journeys, and they're looking for resources that they cannot afford, right? And that presents an opportunity for me to help them, right? So I could easily say like, yo, let me charge you this an X amount of money, and they won't be able to afford it, but then they won't go and do the job anyway because they can't afford it. Now, I can provide them the opportunity to still do that, right? And by getting them to grow their brands, grow themselves as entrepreneurs and business owners, I have the opportunity to leverage that in my portfolio and say like, hey, look, this is something that I helped X amount of people build. And when they are able to afford my services, they'll be more than gladly to pay me for it. So that goes into the whole aspect of being paid more, doing more than you're being paid for, right? So like at this space and time, video has become like such a high commodity, right? And there are tons of business owners, fitness professionals who need to brand themselves in the video form. And one, they're not comfortable in the editing room. And two, they're not comfortable on camera. So I'll just use myself as the put in the work in, becoming comfortable in the editing room, becoming comfortable in front of the camera, right? And then be able to coach them and then giving them the opportunity to grow themselves in the video format. Now, video, if you go and find a camera person, editor, they'll charge you an arm and a leg for such services. And I've been trying to price myself and come up with the prices to see exactly what category that I fall into. And I'm like, wow, based on the quality of content that I see with people and what they're charging, I'm like, man, so if they're charging this, how much can I charge, right? But then it's like abundance mindset. There's tons of opportunities that I can leverage, right? I'm looking at the long game. So create that portfolio of camera, videography services, like picking up jobs, like hitting up the homies. Like I just hit up the homie the other day. He's promoting an event. And I literally texted him because he sent me the text for the event. I'm like, yo, do you got a videographer for this event? And he was like, no, we don't. Can you do it? I'm like, yeah, I'm in there, right? And the opportunity for other artists to see my work, right? And like based on the free videos that I've done already, I was able to like land several other jobs, right? So it's just being able to build your skill set, be comfortable with your skill set, and then start offering that skill set for free, right? And then using that to build your portfolio and continue to grind and optimize each video, because you're going to suck at first. Like, to be honest, you're going to suck, and you want to suck fast. In yesterday's video, I talked about failing fast in order for you to reap the results faster. Like, start doing the videos, pull up to your baby sister's graduation, whatever it is, your cousin's wedding, do the video, even if they have a videographer. Just do anything. Like, if you're building a website, like start building websites for local businesses, just like I've done, and you'll be able to just reap the rewards as quickly as possible, because you want to suck fast, realize that you suck fast, and then you'll be able to like optimize each stage of your business. Right now, I'm optimizing building websites, I'm optimizing my videography work and all this, etc., etc. So hopefully that quick tip was helpful. And yeah, if you want, let me know. If you want to continue this discussion, just let me know, and I'll like just lay it all out on the line, because I ain't holding nothing back, all right? Thanks for watching. Holla at your boy. Peace.